Did you know that in 2021 alone, over 65% of US organizations were hit by ransomware attacks? That's a staggering number, and it's only getting worse. Today, we're diving into a recent and shocking case that's got everyone talking: the Robeson County ransomware attack. So, what happened in Robeson County? Well, this attack has put the spotlight on the infamous RansomHub group, known for their ruthless tactics and high-stakes demands. In a time when cyber threats are escalating, this incident highlights just how vulnerable local governments can be. Let's break it down. The Robeson County ransomware attack didn't just disrupt daily operations. It sent shockwaves through the entire community. Imagine waking up one day and finding out that critical services, like emergency response and public safety, have been compromised. That's exactly what the residents faced. Data breaches were a real concern, with sensitive information potentially exposed. The attack not only caused immediate service disruptions, but also raised questions about the security of public data and infrastructure. The officials had to scramble to assess the damage and figure out how to restore services, all while trying to reassure the public that they were on top of the situation. Now, let's take a closer look at RansomHub. This group has made headlines for their sophisticated attacks and aggressive ransom demands. They typically use a combination of phishing, scams, and malware to infiltrate systems, often exploiting vulnerabilities that haven't been patched. Their motivations? Well, it's all about the money. They target organizations that are likely to pay to regain access to their systems and data. In Robeson County's case, the group demanded a hefty ransom, leaving officials with a tough choice: pay up and risk encouraging future attacks, or stand firm and face the consequences. Understanding how RansomHub operates gives us a clearer picture of the threat landscape that local governments are navigating today. The tension reached a boiling point when Robeson County officials gathered to discuss their response to the ransomware threat. It was a high-stakes meeting with serious implications. With critical services at a standstill and the community looking for answers, the pressure was on. The officials weighed their options, debating whether to negotiate with the attackers or to seek help from cybersecurity experts. The sense of urgency was palpable. Every second counted, and every decision could affect the safety and trust of the residents. Ultimately, the choice made that day would set the course for how the county dealt with the fallout from this attack. In the aftermath of the attack, Robeson County is now focusing on recovery and prevention. They're working hard to restore services and ensure that their systems are secure to prevent future breaches.